Yo, trade recap for November 4th. So going into the morning, I caught these longs on ES. So what was going through my head is that I noticed that we were inside of this hourly busy on ES, and then going into the 9:30 open, NQ had swept Friday's low, which was this low right here on ES. And as you can see, we formed SMT, right? So NQ came down, swept Friday's low, but ES only came and swept this low right here. So this was our soup. And once I noticed that we had a sell side sweep with SMT at the lows, I became very bullish. And as you can see, this down close candle became our CISD candle, right? So we have the soup and our CISD candle, boom, right here. So then that's when I went lower to the 5 minutes to really get my entry. So once we close above this 15-minute CISD on the 5 minute, this becomes the CISD right here. So it confirms the CISD, and I place my entry at this candle high right here. So this is the candle that formed our soup. So as soon as we close above this candle forming the CISD, confirming it, I place my entry at this wick right here to go long. And as you can see, close above, wick me in, literally like barely any drawdown, like maybe like $2. So limit me in, and then as you can see, price went up to my target, which was these highs right here. So this is low hanging fruit. I always target low hanging fruit, and if anybody tell you can't make money targeting low hanging fruit, they're lying. So yeah, I always target low hanging fruit. So as you can see, boom, put me in. I was in drawdown for like maybe $2. Boom, went to TP. It started over here. It started, chopping a little bit. We were a little bit consolidating because this 15-minute right here, this 15-minute SIBI was being respected a little bit. And so I waited because it was filled. It got filled, but it was still, what I'm saying, like chopping around and shit. So I'm like, so I was just patient, and then I moved my stop loss to break even. As you can see, we were chopping a little bit, and then we just broke out of it. Boom. And so that was really much the trade for today. It was pretty simple, straightforward. Our key level, this hourly BISI. Hourly BISI is our key level. Boom. SMT at the lows. Boom. Turtle soup. Boom. CISD confirmation after closure above the candle, the down close candle that swept liquidity. Boom. Entry on the 5 minute candle that swept this right here, this low, forming our turtle soup. Boom. Got in, targeting the low hanging fruit. And as you can see, target hit, price reversed. As you can see, not bad for Monday with no news. This was pretty clean. Like honestly, like this is like A plus setup, perfect. But let me know if you have any questions in the comments.